Hi kids, how to arrange the chess coin? First one, queen. What is this? Queen. What color is this? White. White queen, white square. White queen, white square. Then, what is this? King. King. Then, what is this? Bishop. Bishop. Then one more bishop here. Bishop. Next, knight. What is this? Knight. Then one more knight here. Knight. Last one, rook. Last one, rook. Then one more rook here. Rook. Rook, knight, bishop, queen, king, bishop, knight, rook. White queen, white square. Next, pawn. What is this? Pawn. 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 Next, one more time we will arrange. What is this? Queen, black square. White queen, white square. Black queen, black square. Next, king. Queen, king. Then bishop. What is this? Bishop. One more bishop here. Then knight. What is this? Knight. Then one more knight here. Knight. Then last one, rook. Last one, rook. Then one more rook here. Rook, knight, bishop, king, queen, bishop, knight, rook. Next, pawns. We will arrange here pawns. Pawns. Thank you, kids.